Hi, Skin Games. It's me, Kisha from Goodyear, Arizona. I'm a licensed esthetician, and this is week 1 of our compromised skin category. This is my model, Carol Perez, and as you look at her skin, you can tell that there is some erythema, there's some melasma happening, there's some dullness. There's quite a bit of things that we can work on to begin to restore her skin back to a healthy barrier. However, we only have 8 weeks. And so I let Carol know the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to work on restoring her barrier. We are going to do a number of treatments that will help soften her skin and hydrate her skin, and that is where we will begin. She does have the erythema. I don't believe that we'll be able to calm that down by a significant amount, but I do believe that we will be able to help it to become less reactive. I talked to her about how it's going to be difficult to heal her skin when her body is constantly in fight or flight mode. And so we're going to work on just keeping her stress levels down by coming in weekly, getting a good massage, facial massage, and décolleté and neck in her treatments, as well as just working on softening her skin and just helping her feel really good from the inside, giving her about an hour each week just to calm down and just to take some time to breathe and just focus on herself. I really think that that will play a huge factor in healing her skin, as well as the treatments that she'll be doing at home um, as well too. So I'm looking forward to these next 8 weeks with Carol and helping her with her compromised skin. And I will see you soon. Toodaloo.